software sells well for affiliates. Are you looking for a business that you can start online for next to nothing? If so, selling software is one of the best businesses you can get into. Software has created some of the wealthiest people on the planet. Bill Gates may be a name that most people associate with software development. The good news is that getting into the software business has never been so easy. You can have cheap products created for hundreds of dollars that you can make a lot of money with if you market it properly. An even better alternative would be to launch your own affiliate business selling software. While you may not be able to sell top-of-the-line software product names that others may recognize, there's still plenty of viable options. One of the first places you can look is ClickBank.com. While ClickBank is known mainly for their informational products, they've also become a great place to sell software. You can find plenty of things like registry cleaners and things to make your computer speed faster. You can also find software for the stock market or internet marketing fields that are easy to sell. Just like information, software has a high markup, which is why they can offer high commissions to those selling it. The best part about being an affiliate instead of starting your own business to sell software are the headaches in the customer support department. As you know, not all software is perfect. There are many problems, and this requires a lot of customer support. This is something that most people don't want to deal with, especially if they're not technically minded. Instead, you can put up your link and collect a commission and watch as the profits roll in. You won't have to worry about costly development or technical customer support as an affiliate.